Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got not one, but two radios this past week from Thomas, a longtime supporter of my shows, and we're going to take a look at them right now. This first one here is a Sangean HD radio, and this one over here is an India BC R60 AM FM radio. Start with this one. Back about 10 years ago, maybe, they came out with what's called HD radio. And this is not high definition, this is digital radio. And it's an upgrade from the traditional AM and FM broadcast, broadcasting you via digital signals instead of analog, crystal clear sound, and multiple channels on a given frequency, screen information like RDS radios do. And there was no subscription to receive these, and this is one of the first radios that came out with those capabilities. So let's take a listen to this, and I'll show you the various features. Let me move this out of the way so I don't knock it over. Okay, here's the buttons. Band select AM and FM only. Info about a given a given station. Now it also will pick up analog, not just digital. But if you got an analog station, it will provide additional information like you get with an RDS station. This is the search, they call it HD Seek, for the HD channels, stations. This is the page to go through the various pages that you can store your frequencies in. And then each page has 5 slots. This is the up-down tuning, power here. It's got a built-in telescopic antenna that's about 15 inches. Over here we have the volume, headphone jack, and auxiliary power input. This is just a switch to lock the keyboard. There's the battery compartment. Uses 3 AA batteries. Here's the frequency ranges, and you can change them depending on what part of the world you're in. And there's the model number, HDR-14. Sells on Amazon right now for about $95. The screen is a little hard to read when it's not backlit. And I don't know of any way of keeping the backlight on. So you'll see it'll be very bright when I push a button here. See, it's bright, it's amber background, very easy to read. This is the station name, WDUV. And then if you push info, it's a country music station. I don't know what that information could be. There's nothing on that. It's another one with no information. It's broadcasting in stereo. I don't know what that is. I just don't know what that is. Maybe it's signal strength. And then there's no radio text coming out on this station, such as information about the music or the music that's playing. Now, one thing I have to watch out for, these HD stations are all music. So I can't really play anything unless I do it very short. So that's the situation there. We can do a seek, push and hold here. Now it's seeking through, in this case, the FM band. It's found 6 stations. And then the backlight goes off. And then it's got a bar here as it's going across the band. It's found eight HD stations. Now I believe, let's go to a different station. That's number 11, page 1, channel 1. Let's go to 2. It says it didn't have a name. Oh, there it is. WXGL. Let's see if there's any other info on that station. Classic rock. Nothing there. Nothing there. Stereo. Whatever that is. And then here's information about the music that's playing. Pretty cool. Then we can go to the AM band. Now I looked it up, and the information I found on the internet was there was one HD channel, and that was at 620. Well, apparently it's not HD anymore because it's not showing HD, and if I do an HD seek, it's looking, if it went past 620, wish the backlight would stay on. Almost done. No stations found. So there's no HD stations. You can manually tune. So we see you can find 680. And of course it's got a built-in medium wave antenna, so it'll want to face that way. So let me turn the volume up. Shouldn't be music, might be. Get my finger on the right spot here. This is kind of recessed. Yeah, it's music. Okay, let's see what else we can find. Let's try 720. No. There's 820. Turn the volume up. See how directional it is.
From just jumping off the back of his truck, you know, like it's just wild. And this Harrison Bader,
yeah, that's strong enough. It doesn't matter.
Is the
see what was out there? I found very unsuccessful.
How long ago did you do that?
When did we get Mackenzie's
Doesn't
car?
seem to be too
Probably
directional.
7 months ago.
I'm still up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm curious to try it again.
Yeah, it's worse there, best there, which is normal.
A shelving unit
Okay.
that I wanted to put near
Let's
the
turn
front
that
door.
noise off.
And
That's about it. Like I say, you can get this off of Amazon for $95. The technology came out about 10 years ago, and Sangean was one of the best in that time. And just have this little foot. Keep it from falling over. I'd like to see that on other radios. That little foot, because a lot of these radios that are kind of this configuration tend to fall over. Okay, that's that one. Turn this off, and we'll set this aside. And now we're going to do the other one that I got from Thomas this past week, which is this one right here. It's AM, FM, very basic. It sells from, there's 3 or 4 dealers on Amazon, and it ranges in price from $15 to $19. There it is, AM and FM. Okay, the first thing, but my camera helps, is the dial face. It's black letters on gray background. Oh my gosh, what are these people thinking? So in normal light, it's a little difficult to read. Now, if you got good bright light or using a camera, it's easy to read. Plus, the dial is tiny. So the tuning knob is right there, and on-off volume. This is the band select, AM and FM. Very, very short. Oh, let's see. Oh my gosh, where's my ruler? Oh, there's my ruler. I can't believe how short this antenna is. This antenna is 7 1/4 inches. That is a short antenna. And it must have a tiny built-in medium wave antenna. Now there's something nice. It does have a belt clip. Does use regular batteries. Doesn't have rechargeable or anything like that. 2 AA's. But let me turn it on if I can get it. These recessed knobs are really hard to turn.
The basic objective, at least, of defending our own existence, but it is not strong in peace because it has no unified faith.
Very
No
tinny.
universal goal.
Very,
No
let me turn it down.
universally recognized.
Very tinny sound. And when you're playing music, which I can't do, when you're playing music, it's heavily distorted. So this radio you don't want to get. I could try showing you. See, I'm on FM. I mean AM. I think. There's no. Yeah, there is. There is an indication here. AM and FM. So it's on the bottom. It's AM. Turn the volume up. Up.
Communism says we are God.
Oh,
We are perfection.
that is harsh.
We take away your freedom of choice.
Okay, let's tune.
Our materialist.
Can't leave it there, but you heard the music. Bad. Whoa.
When we're talking about selling a business.
Okay, let's try FM. Turn it down because you're not supposed to play music. Okay, I'll go to FM. Yeah, we don't want music. I mean, okay.
Everybody's break. The next holiday.
Really hard to tune. It does pick up quite a few stations, but it's really hard to tune, especially with that tuning wheel that kind of hurts your fingers. So that's it. I want to thank Thomas for sending these 2 radios, and that's about it. This one, no. Even at $15, no. This one, kind of old technology, HD, $95. It's kind of expensive. And it doesn't have MP3 player or any of that new stuff. That's about it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. And most important, have a great day. Bye-bye.